John Locke's Tabula Rasa, an explanation. John Locke's concept of tabula rasa is a fundamental idea in his philosophy of mind and human development. Derived from the Latin term meaning blank slate, tabula rasa refers to the notion that individuals are born without pre-existing knowledge or mental content. Instead, Locke posited that all knowledge and ideas are acquired through experience. This theory, first articulated in his seminal work and essay concerning human understanding, 1690, fundamentally challenges earlier notions of innate ideas, as proposed by philosophers such as René Descartes. For Locke, the mind at birth is a clean slate, and it is only through sensory experiences and reflection that individuals gain knowledge and form ideas. Locke's tabula rasa concept is rooted in empiricism, a philosophical view that emphasizes the role of sensory experience as the source of all knowledge. According to Locke, humans are not born with any inherent knowledge, nor do they possess preconceived notions about the world. Instead, they are shaped entirely by their experiences as they interact with the external world. Locke argued that the mind passively absorbs data from the senses, and through processes of reflection, individuals form complex ideas. For example, the basic sensory experience of seeing an object might lead to the formation of the idea of color, which is then refined through further sensory input and mental reflection. In contrast to the rationalist belief in innate ideas that are supposedly embedded in the mind from birth, Locke's theory of tabula rasa emphasizes the importance of the environment and learning in shaping human cognition and behavior. According to Locke, if the mind starts as a blank slate, the content that is written upon it is the result of external influences, including education, culture, and social interactions. This view also carries implications for human potential and development, suggesting that individuals can be shaped and improved through appropriate experiences and education. Thus, Locke's concept of tabula rasa underlines the malleability of the human mind and the power of learning in shaping an individual's character and intellectual capacity. Locke's theory also holds significant implications for the nature versus nurture debate. If humans are born without inherent knowledge, this implies that human nature is not fixed or predetermined by biology or divine will. Instead, people are products of their experiences, meaning that social, cultural, and educational factors play a critical role in determining an individual's development and understanding of the world. This concept laid the foundation for later psychological theories, particularly in behaviorism and educational psychology, where the focus is placed on how external stimuli shape behavior and cognition. Critics of Locke's tabula rasa theory, however, argue that it oversimplifies human cognition. They suggest that humans may have certain innate faculties or predispositions that influence their ability to acquire knowledge, such as language acquisition mechanisms or certain cognitive structures. Modern cognitive science and neuroscience have also challenged the idea that the human mind is a completely blank slate, pointing to evidence of genetic predispositions and innate neural structures that influence learning and behavior. Despite these criticisms, Locke's idea of tabula rasa remains an important contribution to the philosophy of education and psychology. It underscores the belief in the formative power of experience, which has influenced educational practices, developmental psychology, and theories of learning. By asserting that the mind is shaped by experience, Locke emphasized the importance of creating environments that foster positive and enriching experiences, thus enabling individuals to reach their full potential. In conclusion, John Locke's concept of tabula rasa is a central idea in his empirical philosophy, proposing that individuals are born without innate knowledge, and that all understanding and ideas are derived from sensory experience and reflection. While the theory has been subject to critique and revision, its impact on educational philosophy and the understanding of human development remains significant, highlighting the importance of experience and learning in shaping the human mind.